Today my next chapter is screen is shared. Screen is shared. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Now today my topic chapter is chapter number 6, squares and square root. Square and square roots. Okay. Yes. What is square? As you know that the square of 1 is, square means it is multiplied by 2 times. 1 into 1, it becomes 1. Square of 2 is 2 into 2, it becomes 4. And square of 3 is 3 into 3, it becomes 9. Square of 4 is 4 into 4, it becomes 16. And square of A is A into A. Square of B is B into B.
So B into B.
Yes. Square is written by 2 times. And square of Z can be written as Z into Z. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes, who is making sound? Yes. You have to learn square up to 50. Can you learn the square of up to 15? Page number 91. Page number 91 in your NCERT book. Number and square are written. That is, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36, square of 7 is 49. Yes. Square of 8 is it? Yes. Square of 9 is? Very good. Square of 10 is? Yes. Square of 11? 121. Square of 12? 144. You can write such as square of 12. Square of 12, that is 12 into 12. That is because 144. Okay? And square of 13. 13 into 13. 169. Yes. Square of 14 is 196. Square of 15. Square of 70. Yes, very good. And square of 18 is 324. Square of 19 is 300. Oh, very good. Square of 20 is yes. Square of 21 is square of 22. $484. Square of 23. Yes. Square of 24 is and square of 25. Square of 26. Eh? What are you saying? Square of 26. 26. Square of 27. 689. What are you saying? Square of 28. Square of 29. This is your n. This is your n square and n plus 1. That is twice of n. Twice of n. Twice of n means your n is 2. 2 into 2. Into 4 number lie between square of 2 and 3. Square of 3. Please check it. चेक कर सकते हो आप कैसे जैसे 4 है एंड 9 इसके बीच में जो नंबर आ सकते हैं वो क्या आ सकते हैं 5 6 7 8 4 numbers. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now please tell me that square of 3 and square of 4. That is your n square. It is your n plus 1. N plus 1 means n is your 3. N is your 3 and 3 plus 1 that is 4 square. And the number lie between square of 3 and square of 4 is twice of n. Your n is 3. So number lie between that is 2 3 is 6. 6 number lie between square of 3 and square of 4. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Just please give me the answer immediately. And that is 20 square and 21 square. You will count the square of count the number between square of 20 and 21. Yeah, give me the answer immediately.
So 40.
How? That is your n square.
Sir,
That is n plus 1 square. And the number lie between twice of n. What is your n?
20.
Oh, very good. मतलब आप बड़े अच्छे बच्चों से समझाते हो, जरूर समझाते हो। है भाई? कोई डाउट के प्रॉब्लम इसमें?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, Arav Singh. Arav Singh, am I audible to you? Yes. Arav Singh is Arav Singh, are you present in the class? Yes. Karvika Vas,
Yes,
any doubt, any problems? Ruchi Yadav, Prabhakaran, Arhan Yadav, any doubt, any problems? Arhan, am I audible to you?
Sir,
Yes.
what is the square of 29?
961. 961. Wait. Square of 30 is square of 30. Square of 30 is 900. Less than 900. Sorry. It will be adding odd numbers. Your odd number is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Oh, sorry. Odd number is not 2. That is your 3. 3 square, that is your 5 square, that is your 7 square, that is your 9 square, that is your 11 square, that is your 13 square. How many odd numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square.
The 7
That
also.
is your 49. 49. Square नहीं है, sorry. Only numbers are there, not square. Odd numbers are there. It is not square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there. Square of 7 is 49. Square of 7 is 49. Okay. Next example is your. Next example is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Please tell me the answer.
7 square is 16. Sir, 16.
Yes.
Sir, 16 is answer.
Okay. Next is your 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Tell me.
The 25. Sir, 25. And 25.
Okay. Sum of consecutive natural numbers. Sum of consecutive natural numbers. Okay. Can I raise it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sum of consecutive natural numbers. Yes. That is your 3 square. It becomes 9. And what will be the conjugated numbers? What will be the conjugated numbers? That is your
4 plus.
yes. Yes, n square minus 1 divided by 2. N square minus 1 divided by 2 and n square plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Here n is 3. N is 3. So replace that n with 3. 3 square minus 1 divided by 2. 3 square plus 1 divided by 2. Yes. Square of 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Okay, and 9 plus 1 divided by 2. So it becomes 8 by 2 and 10 by 2. And 8 by 2 is 4 and 10 by 2 is 5. So consecutive number will be 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. That will become 9. Okay? Yes. Yes, please tell me. 16 square. 16 square. And the square of 16 is 256. What will be the consecutive number? The sum will be 256. Consecutive numbers. Formula will n is what is your n? 16.
16.
N square minus 1 divided by 2. N square plus 1 divided by 2. What is your n? 16 square minus 1 divided by 2. 16 square plus 1 divided by 2. That is your 256 minus 1 divided by 2.
That your voice is not clear.
Yes.
Yes? My voice is coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Still coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please take always odd number. Not even numbers. Please take always odd numbers. Please take always odd number. You have to take square of odd numbers. It is possible only in odd numbers. Okay? It is possible always in odd numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
It is always possible in a odd number scales. In even number scale is not possible. Yes. Now that is your example is 15 square. That is 225 and n is 15. N square minus 1 divided by 2. N square plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. What is your n?
15.
15 square minus 1 divided by 2 and 15 square plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. The square of 15 is 256 minus 1 that 225. Oh sorry. 225.
So the consecutive numbers are 112 and 113.
It becomes yes 225 minus 1 divided by 2 and 225 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. It becomes 224 divided by 2 and it becomes 226 divided by 2. So it becomes 112 and 113. Okay. The sum of 112
Yes.
and 113. 112 and 113.
220.
Okay. Now next is your प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू consecutive even or odd natural number, product of two consecutive even and odd natural numbers. या तो दोनों इवन होना चाहिए या दोनों ही क्या ऑड होने चाहिए. ओके
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay.
या तो क्या है आपके पास जैसे 11 और क्या है आपके पास 13 है, या आपके पास 26 है एंड 26 एंड 28 है, जैसे 44 है 46 है. ऐसे ही क्या ये तो आपके पास ऑड नंबर होने चाहिए या आपके पास इवन नंबर कॉन्जिक्यूटिव होना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? कॉन्जिक्यूटिव. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
Yes.
करिए.
Okay, sir.
ओके, हैव यू डन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Product of two consecutive even number or odd natural number. Product of consecutive odd number or even numbers. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर और इवन नंबर. अब देखिए यहाँ पे आपके पास यहाँ पे दो नंबर हैं 11 और 13. ये है 143. इट कैन बी रिटन एज स्क्वायर ऑफ 12 माइनस 1. ओके, स्क्वायर ऑफ 12 इन दोनों के बीच में नंबर क्या आ रहा है? 12 आता है. 11 और 13 के बीच में नंबर क्या आता है?
12.
12 square minus 1. Next is or next example is 25 into 27. Yes. Multiply it. 26 minus 1. 26 minus 1. 676 minus 1. 675. Please check the answer. Check the answer. Multiply it. Yes. You can write such as a square minus b square. It can be written as that is a plus b, a minus b. 12 minus 1 and 12 plus 1. It can also be written as. It can also be written as 26 minus 1 and 26 plus 1. Okay.
Yes.
Why? I have applied the identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next example is your 22 into 24. 23 square minus 1. A square minus b square. 23 minus 1. 23 plus 1. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Page number 95. Page number 95 in your book. Some more pattern is square numbers. 1 square 1, 11 square 121, and triple 1 square 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, and 4 times 1 2 3 4. Listen. इसे आपके पास क्या है? 1 square. That is what? Triple 1 square. 1. How many 1? 1 2. 1 2 वापिस 1. Okay. 1 1 1. 1 2 3 3 तक चलेंगे, उसके बाद बैठ जाएंगे 1 2 3 2 1. ओके, एक 1 से स्टार्ट किया तो 1 पे फिनिश होगा ये. 3 के मूव क्यों किया? 1 2 3 3 है ये. आगे देखिए यहाँ पे 1 1 1 1 स्क्वायर 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. समझ में आ गया? 1 1 1 1 स्क्वायर 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1.
3 2 1.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yes. 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No,
समझ
sir.
में आ गया?
Yes.
एक pattern, another interesting pattern is given also. 7 square 49, 67 square 4489. ठीक है? 667 square 344 889. कर लो इस पैटर्न को.
Yes.
Okay. Tomorrow I will start exercise 6.1.
Okay, sir.
Yes, in homework please do that question number. Yes, in homework please do that question number. Fourth,
Okay,
fourth
sir.
you can do. Fourth can you can do. Fifth can you can do. Sixth is also. Seventh is also you can do. And question number 9th. Question number 8th. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th are in homework. I have done in introduction. ये complete introduction करवा दिया मैंने. इसको complete करना है. कर लोगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Question number 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th are in homework.